Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Torras Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 5. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case from Torras to review for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Today I will be reviewing the shockproof case. It has MagSafe on there and everything for your Galaxy Z Fold 5. If you want to pick up this case, I'll have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. I've been using Torras cases for a while now, and I really do like the build and the quality that you get from them. I know in the Z Fold 4, they made some of the best cases out there for the Z Fold 4 without having strips or without having, the little strips that you have to worry about peeling off on all of these cases. So like we normally do in my case videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. Does it fit well? Do you get camera protection and lip action? The overall feel of the case, does it have bulk? Can you wireless charge? And on this one, we'll even check out how strong the magnet is for the MagSafe. But let's get into it. Nice packaging from Torras. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. So you have the front piece here with some foam. And it has the pen support too. Bam. Now it looks like this one will support the newer pen, the older pen. So if you have the Z Fold 4 pen, looks like that's what it will support. What else you get in the box? You get Let's Start a Wonderful Journey. You also get some instructions here and user guide. If you want to read that, I definitely highly recommend doing that. But it says simple but unique. Let's put this on the side over here. All right, so you have the back here, which is the MagSafe part of it. I love how it's not super clear. It has like a smoky finish to it, so it won't attract as many fingerprints. But that is the MagSafe. Look, no adhesive strips anywhere on here. I don't see any. And we will see how it fits too without the mag strips. But you want to make sure you press it on there good. And then even the front doesn't have these little, I said mag strips, these adhesive strips on here either. Now this one will add a little bit of bulk to your phone because of how the pen is. But you want to make sure you have these cases on there good. So again, first thing, no hinge protection. You do get some lip action. I won't slam my phone down, but if you want to place it down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. Also, you do get camera protection. Again, it's badly lifted. I wouldn't slam it down or put it on something rocky, but if you're just laying down on a table, you don't have to worry about scratching up your lenses back there either. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top. When you open it up, you don't block your view there. Now, if you have the old S Pen, there you go. It's in there. So if you have the older S Pen, it's in there. It works really great with it. You just pull it out. Now, I wonder if they're going to update this to work with the newer S Pen, which they could be doing, but they might not. Because a lot of people actually like this S Pen more than the new pen. The power button, let's see. Oh, it told me I pressed it too many times. All right, so let's try. So you can get to it. It's not a problem. The pen support does get in the way. Let's try to put the pen in there. Let's see if that makes a difference. It still works, but you can feel where the pen can get in the way. The Vine rockers, same thing, they work, but that pen kind of gets in the way, but not really. It's just a little bit tight, as you can tell there, but it works. Now let's see the overall fit. So this is what I'm talking about. It's hard to really, I can pull the bottom off of this one a little bit. Let's see if I can get that better on there. Like, I mean, I really have to pull to even get this bottom off on there. And on this side, I mean, I'm really pulling it off. So it fits really well for not having adhesive strips. I mean, you can open and close it and the case is not coming off, not moving around at all. Now let's see how strong this magnet is. Now that is a strong magnet, and you can wireless charge, as you can tell, but it's definitely on there pretty good. I can hold it and open the phone. So that is a strong magnet in there. I like that. So if you have MagSafe, you might be able to use this and get away with it and not worry about having your phone drop. But I definitely like the case. I like how it feels. I like the MagSafe on there. I love how it's, you know, the smoke back in there. That actually works good. Look, it has drop protection. Don't have to worry about dropping your phone live on the video. I meant to do that, by the way. But if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get this from Amazon. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forwards Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.